Good day, viewers. You are welcome to Corrosive Online Tutorials, where complex problems are made easy. Today, we're looking at acid-base concepts. And in this video, I'll be focusing on the early ideas about the acid. As you know about the nature of science. Now, the nature of science describes what science is, how science works, and how can scientists contribute to scientific knowledge and scientific method. Now, for you to understand the nature of science, you have to realize that among many other things, that scientific knowledge is reliable and uncertain. That is, scientific knowledge is reliable and uncertain. Is reliable and uncertain. That is why over the years, many ideas by scientists has been abandoned. Some of these ideas has been modified as new discoveries are made. Okay? Now, in today's topic, I want you to have this in mind about these early ideas about the acid. In 1787, Antonin Lavoisier, who is the father of modern chemistry, proposed that an acid is a binary compound of oxygen. That is, he said an acid is a binary compound of oxygen. And not only that, he said that oxygen is responsible for the acidic property of the acid. Number two, he said that oxygen is responsible for the acidic properties of the acid. Now, I don't know why he made this statement. Maybe because Lavoisier was the first scientist to describe the oxygen gas. The oxygen gas was not discovered by Lavoisier. He was the one that described. The oxygen gas was discovered by two scientists independently. It was discovered by Scheele in 1772 and by Priestley in 1774. They both discovered the gas oxygen independently, but it was Antonin Lavoisier that described the oxygen gas, and he thought that the oxygen gas is a major ingredient in all acids. That is why he even went ahead to name the gas oxygen. The meaning of oxygen is acid producer. Okay, so in 1811, this hypothesis was disproved by another scientist called Darwin. Darwin disproves the hypothesis of Antonin Lavoisier when he showed that HCl, which is the chemical formula of hydrochloric acid, contains no oxygen. As you can see the formula, there is no oxygen in it. And he went further to say that it is not oxygen that is responsible for the acidic property of the acid, rather it is hydrogen. That hydrogen determines the acidic properties of the acid. Now, in 1814, Gay-Lussac did a lot of experiments, and he came to the conclusion that an acid has the capacity to neutralize a base, that these two substances can only be defined in terms of the other. that the two substances can only what? Can only be defined in terms of the order. Therefore, Gay-Lussac and Darwin provide us with the foundation of our acid-base concepts in aqueous solution. And there are three concepts in chemistry that define the acid base in aqueous solution. There are three concepts. The first concept is the Arrhenius concept. The first concept is the Arrhenius concept of the acid base definition. The second concept is the Bronsted-Lowry concept. And the third concept is the Lewis concept. Now, in my next video, I'll be taking my time to go through each of these concepts. If you like my video, please hit the subscribe button and share it online. Till I meet you next time. Thank you.